Good people, I'm JP, a music producer and stunt guitarist at Squad Car 37. Are you looking for an affordable guitar amp combo? Well, check this out. Today, I'm going to demo the beautiful Fender Squire Bullet Stratocaster, which is only $179.99, and the sonically sensational Fender Mustang 1 V2 modeling amp, which is an absolute steal at $139.99. This budget-friendly combo is from an iconic brand that's near and dear to my heart. They make some of the finest musical instruments and amps in the world. In fact, my very first electric guitar was a black Fender Squire Bullet. That little rocker is me, and it runs in the family. My dad's 60s garage band, the Apollos, played Fender instruments exclusively. Here's why I love the Stratocaster. It's ergonomically designed to comfortably hug the human body. The C-shaped neck allows for a comfortable grip and fast action playing. And the legendary single coil pickups sound amazing and provide a wide range of tones. Right out of the box, the Mustang 1 comes with 18 amp models and 24 onboard presets. It also has all the effects you'll ever need, including reverb, delay, chorus, and tremolo. I'm going to dial in some of my favorite presets that come standard on the Mustang 1 V2, and then demonstrate them in a song. To dial in a preset, turn up the master volume and adjust the preset knob. You'll see a green, amber, or red light cycle through the amp model options, giving you 3 starting point variations for each amp sound. Once you find a preset you like, you can further refine the sound by adjusting your tone dials. Additionally, it comes with a tuner, the ability to save new sounds, and a tempo button that times the delay and tremolo effects to the tempo of your song. To keep things simple, I'm going to use the stock presets without making any adjustments. I'll play the track and highlight the presets for each part on the screen as I play. Whether you're a beginner or a professional looking for a budget-friendly guitar amp combo, I'd highly recommend that you check out the Fender Squire Bullet Stratocaster and the Mustang 1 V2 modeling amp. You can buy them online at fender.com or your preferred online retailers, including Guitar Center. If you're in Northern Virginia like me, visit the Guitar Center in Fairfax and tell Greg and the team that JP sent you.